In an interaction with students, Prime Minister Modi also lashing out at how students' future is being jeopardized, is harmed to improve the image of the Aam Aadmi Party government. Let's listen in to what Prime Minister Modi said.
मैंने सुना है ये दिल्ली में 9वीं कक्षा के बाद बच्चों को आगे जाने ही नहीं देते। जो बच्चे गारंटी है पास होंगे उन्हीं को जाने दें। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएगा तो मेरी सरकार की इज्जत खराब हो जाएगी, इसलिए बड़ा बेईमानी का काम होता है।
Himanshu Mishra joins me on this. Himanshu, that's a very interesting interaction that Prime Minister Modi is having. Who were these students? Tell us more. And why did he also make a political jibe with regard to Aam Aadmi Party government here?
देखिए, बिल्कुल प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने जो है आज स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ बातचीत की। उनको ये पूछा कि किस तरीके से जो है उनके रिजल्ट को खराब किया जाता है। उनका कहना था कि उनके पास इंफॉर्मेशन है कि जो बच्चे 10th क्लास में पास हो सकते हैं गारंटेड तौर पर उन्हीं को जो है वो पास किया जाता है 9th क्लास से, और बाकी बच्चों के भविष्य को किस तरीके से अधर में डालते हैं जिससे उनका जो रिजल्ट का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है वो खराब ना हो। सीधा निशाना आम आदमी पार्टी की जो शिक्षा नीति है उसको लेकर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने इन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ टारगेट किया। लेकिन इतना जरूर है कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने ये बात साफ कर दी कि 9th के अंदर बच्चों को जिस तरीके से फेल किया जा रहा है उनको आगे कंपटीशन के लिए तैयार करने की जगह उनको फेल किया जाता है, जिससे ये गारंटी रहे कि उन्हीं बच्चों को पास किया जाए जो 10th के अंदर पास हो सकते हैं, यानी बोर्ड एग्जाम के अंदर पास हो सकते हैं। जिनमें संभावनाएं दिखती हैं, जिनमें थोड़ी भी संभावनाएं कम होती हैं, उनके रिजल्ट को रोक दिया जाता है, यानी कि उनको 9th स्टैंडर्ड में ही फेल कर दिया जाता है। और ये है आम आदमी पार्टी की जो है एजुकेशन पॉलिसी।
Himanshu, हमारे साथ बने रहिए. Let's listen in again to what did Prime Minister Modi say.
मैंने सुना है ये दिल्ली में 9वीं कक्षा के बाद बच्चों को आगे जाने ही नहीं देते। जो बच्चे गारंटी है पास होंगे उन्हीं को जाने दें। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएगा तो मेरी सरकार की इज्जत खराब हो जाएगी, इसलिए बड़ा बेईमानी का काम होता है।
हिमांशु continues to be with us. हिमांशु, देखिए आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए सबसे बड़ा मॉडल उनके लिए एजुकेशन मॉडल ही रहा है, तो किस तरह से आपको लगता है जब खुद स्टार कैंपेनर जो है बीजेपी के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी उस मॉडल पर सवाल उठाते, किस बेसिस पे बीजेपी को लगता है कि वो भी जरूरी है?
देखिए, बिल्कुल प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने बच्चों के साथ बात की। उन्होंने बताया और पूछा भी बच्चों से कि क्या ये सही है कि 9th के अंदर बच्चों को रोक दिया जाता है, उन्हीं बच्चों को पास किया जाता है 10th क्लास के लिए, जिनके ऊपर ये श्योरिटी होती है, जो गारंटी होती है कि वो बच्चे ही 10th के बोर्ड के एग्जाम निकाल सकते हैं। बाकी बच्चों को जो है वो पास नहीं किया जाता है क्योंकि उनका जो रिजल्ट का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है वो खराब हो जाएगा। और इसीलिए अगर आप देखेंगे तो बच्चों ने ये साफ साफ कह दिया कि हाँ, से उनका जो रिजल्ट है वो खराब ना दिखे। और बच्चों को जो मेहनत कर रही है, अगर कुछ बच्चों कुछ कमजोर हैं और वो पास हो सकते हैं 9th स्टैंडर्ड में, तो उनको आगे 10th स्टैंडर्ड में पास करके भेजना चाहिए, जो सरकार नहीं कर रही है। क्योंकि बच्चों के पास 1 साल का समय होता है 10th के बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन के लिए, लेकिन वो सरकार नहीं देना चाहती है, जिससे कि उनका जो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है रिजल्ट का वो खराब ना हो जाए। और इसीलिए बच्चों को जो है 9th स्टैंडर्ड में ही रोक दिया जाता है, यानी फेल कर दिया जाता है। उन्हीं बच्चों को सिर्फ पास किया जाता है जो बच्चे सरकार को, टीचर्स को ये गारंटी होती है कि वो 10th के बोर्ड एग्जाम में पास हो सकते हैं, उन्हीं को सिर्फ पास किया जाता है। तो एक तरीके की ये कहीं ना कहीं जो है बच्चों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ है। और ये बात प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने उन बच्चों के साथ बातचीत के अंदर पूछी भी, और बच्चों ने कहा कि उनके भविष्य के साथ जो है ये खिलवाड़ होता है जब 9th स्टैंडर्ड के अंदर उनको रोक दिया जाता है।
तो ये जो स्टूडेंट्स जो बात कर रहे हैं, हिमांशु, आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट भी है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए? क्या आप कुछ क्लैरिटी दे पाएंगे? अगर ये स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स थे, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स थे, दिल्ली से ही थे, कोई ऐसी डिटेल्स अभी आई है?
देखिए, मुझे जहां तक है वहां तक स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स हैं और उनके साथ बातचीत की है। कुछ बड़े स्टूडेंट भी होंगे, 9th स्टैंडर्ड के, 11th स्टैंडर्ड के, 10th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों के साथ बातचीत हुई है। लेकिन इतना जरूर है, जिस शिक्षा मॉडल को लेकर आम आदमी पार्टी जो है पूरी दिल्ली ही नहीं पूरे विश्व में ये गाती है कि उनके शिक्षा मॉडल को जो है विश्व के स्तर पर जो है सराहाया जाता है। और उसके बाद अगर इस तरीके की चीजें सामने आई हैं तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जो है वो बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, और उसमें ये साफ पता भी चल रहा है कि जो बच्चे हैं उनको किस तरीके से जो 9th स्टैंडर्ड में रोका जाता है, जिनको ये लगता है सरकार को, टीचर्स को, प्रिंसिपल को कि ये बच्चे 10th के बोर्ड के एग्जाम पास नहीं कर सकते हैं, उनको 9th स्टैंडर्ड में रोक दिया जाता है। यानी कि उनको 1 साल का जो समय है और तैयारी करने का और अपने परफॉर्मेंस को बेहतर करने का, वो टाइम नहीं दिया जाता है उनको।
Himanshu, stay on with me. Let's listen in again. Usually we've seen Pariksha Pe Charcha by Prime Minister Modi. Here's what he said and why he believes that this whole education model being promoted by the Aam Aadmi Party is a farce.
मैंने सुना है ये दिल्ली में 9वीं कक्षा के बाद बच्चों को आगे जाने ही नहीं देते। जो बच्चे गारंटी है पास होंगे उन्हीं को जाने दें। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएगा तो मेरी सरकार की इज्जत खराब हो जाएगी, इसलिए बड़ा बेईमानी का काम होता है।
Joining me now, BJP Sardar RP Singh. RP Singh, good afternoon. Why do you think this conversation was so important that Prime Minister Modi decided to have with the students?
Well, it clearly exposes the Aam Aadmi Party's model of education. And we have been ongoingly saying that this is a false narrative being built up by Aam Aadmi Party. More than 1.5 lakh children are dropped out every year from 9th and 11th standard just to improve the result of 10th and 12th. And their future is in dark. And those children have no way to go to any school thereafter. So this is their education model. And this is not for this, as per the RTA, this is not RP Singh accusing or putting allegations. And this is ongoingly happening for the last 3 years now.
What do you say about the claim that Aam Aadmi Party keeps saying, look at the education that model that we've brought, we have improved the situation in the government schools, made the buildings better, improved the level of education. And here the BJP and its star campaigner, Prime Minister Modi, literally breaking that specific claim.
Well, that model is a myth and has been created on basis of falsehood. The fact is that, as I told you, more than 1.5 lakh children are dropped out every year by the government of Delhi only to improve the result. And by just painting some buildings or putting better desks doesn't mean that you improve the quality of education. And in that also, there's a lot of corruption which has happened.
Thank you so much, RP Singh, for now. Also joining us, now this will be important, Aam Aadmi Party's spokesperson Jasmine Shah, who's also been closely associated working on the education model that Aam Aadmi Party so boasts about. Jasmine, you first tell me, because Prime Minister Modi has hit out saying that there is this pattern to deliberately not let some students go into the 10th standard because otherwise your results may show poorly in case the results in 9th are a certain way. Clarify that for us, and what do you make of what Prime Minister Modi's interaction has been with the students?
Well, it's a completely laughable and ridiculous claim. And coming from BJP and Prime Minister Modi, who have seen an absolute demolition of government school system across India, and take the case of Gujarat especially. Gujarat today ranks at the bottom of all states in Niti Aayog's own education index. Less than 50% of children in Gujarat cross 10th standard. There are 10,000 government schools in Gujarat which have only tin sheds. There are 6,000 government schools in Gujarat that have only one teacher. And BJP and Prime Minister Modi, who comes from Gujarat, comes and today attacks Aam Aadmi Party on education. We are glad that today he is talking about education. And therefore, let me tell your viewers, what is the AAP's education model in Delhi? It is the first government school system where 4 lakh children have left private schools to join government schools in the last 10 years. We see consistently our government schools are outperforming private schools in class 10th and 12th board results. Not just that. Today, 1,700 of our children are clearing NEET examination, and 500 are clearing IIT JEE examination. Name one state of BJP where government schools are doing better than private schools, where children are leaving private schools and joining government schools. So this is the desperation of BJP. We welcome this fact that BJP today is talking about education, because so far, and let me tell the last thing, in the recent union budget, BJP has reduced the education budget to 2.5%. It is lowest in the history of India. So a party that has always hated education for the poor today is talking about education thanks to Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal. It's a welcome move, I would say. And people of Delhi should decide whether who is serious about education, BJP, which has failed to provide good education
But
across
Jasmine,
India,
here's the thing. Let's talk about the specific point that Prime Minister Modi made, and he wouldn't, of course, make that point without research, which is there was, and it has been reported widely, that in class 9 there was a good number of students who could not clear. They did fail. They had to pass through. Then there was, I think, a remedial examination that was done, a new model that Aam Aadmi Party government also initiated. Do you think that could become a trouble point for your government right now?
First, let me tell you, most of the things that Prime Minister Modi says is without research. So just because Prime Minister Modi has said something, he says Gujarat has the best government schools. But then the Niti Aayog goes and exposes his own claims. And by the way, let me tell you, Niti Aayog has called Aam Aadmi Party, its Delhi model of education, as the best model. It ranks #1 in the education index. Now, as far to your specific point, you know, there are children, because there is a no detention policy, there are some children who fail at class 9 when they get the first examination, which is the pass-fail. But many of them reappear and they clear. You know what is the percentage of children in Delhi that go beyond 10th and enroll into 11th? It's 95%. It's the highest in India. How come that is happening if Prime Minister Modi is saying that children are dropping out? And ask them at the same time, why are only 45% children in Gujarat moving on from 10th to 11th standard? There the children are leaving the education system after 10th. They are going into child labor. This is the track record of BJP. BJP चाहती है कि दिल्ली में भी यही सा हो जाए. Government schools बंद हो जाए. And think about it, you know, even before the Gujarat election, Prime Minister Modi, when he went to Gujarat, he had to sit in a tent school and click pictures. He couldn't even face and go into one government school of Gujarat after 30 years. So this is the reality. I am glad, again, I welcome that this election, based on what the Prime Minister has said today, this election should be on education. Who has the vision for education? Who has delivered on education? Let the people of Delhi decide and vote only on whether who can give better education to the children of Delhi.
All right, Jaswant, thank you very much. I appreciate you giving your perspective from what the Aam Aadmi Party has to say, because it's their big plank, education, which Prime Minister Modi says, look how the students are being failed. Now, this is, remember, could actually become, in the next few hours, the big election issue as a showdown. And would other AAP leaders also respond to that? Jasmine Shah, thank you very much.